Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to complete a trade review of the short position I took on NQ this morning at New York Open. The day started on the 4-hour chart where I obtained my bias. We can see here that price was currently located at a bearish fair value gap at the time of New York Open. This provided me a bearish bias. A couple more points to make is that price swept a swing high while it was in that bearish fair value gap, also giving me a bearish bias. Lastly, seeing the bullish fair value gap having a candle close fully through it also gave me a bearish bias. I then moved to my 15-minute chart to look for higher time frame points of interest to search for a bearish entry function along with a draw on liquidity. I'm going to point out the draw on liquidity. You can see that there's relative equal lows here. There's relative equal lows here. There's relative equal lows here. All giving me stuff to reach for with that bearish bias. Then if you look at where price is currently located on the 15-minute chart, this gave me my higher time frame point of interest to start searching for a bearish entry function, seeing that price was dealing with this bearish fair value gap. From there, I moved to my 1-minute chart where I began to look for a bearish unicorn. As you can see, this is New York Open here, so we'll watch to see what happens. New York Open begins with a move higher, running above a swing high, creating a stop hunt. After that stop hunt occurred, there was displacement through the breaker block, along with an FVG being aligned with the breaker block. At this point in time, I was setting limit orders for a short at the beginning of the breaker block. Position looked like this. Put a stop loss a couple points above the breaker block and aimed lower for the draw on liquidity. Price entered the short position thereafter, dealing with some drawdown initially. Then it began to move in my favor. Once price went about plus 90 points lower, I took my profits here. If you would like to review the executions that were completed, you can either see them on Twitter or in my Discord, where I document daily. The link to that will be in the description of this video. If you found this trade review helpful, please like and share with a friend. Until next time, have a nice day.